Okay, for this look, we want to go for something really bold and fun. Before I start her color service, I'm actually going to do the BLONDME detox. By doing this, I'm going to remove any buildup or product that's still in her hair that will get in the way of my color service. It's extremely simple to do, and it doesn't require any heat. All you have to do is thoroughly apply it all over the hair and let it sit for 20 minutes and blow dry. And overall, lighter and brighter. It doesn't shift the natural at all, it just pulls out all of the impurities. I like to do this before all of my color services. Next, you simply rinse it out and blow dry. And after I'm done blow drying, I'm going to pre-section her hair before I start. By pre-sectioning the hair, I can ensure that I have a very consistent application. I'm going to do a strong face frame with an ombre dip dye look. I'm going to start by applying Osis Texture Craft to hold my tease. And I'm going to go in and back comb the hair and get all of my sections ready before I go in with my lightener. I'm going for a very bold dip dye ombre look, so by pre-sectioning it, I can ensure that I have a really nice line of demarcation all the way around that is consistent in every single section. I'm going to mix up BLONDME 9 Plus lightener, 40 grams of powder, and 50 grams of BLONDME 7 volume. I'm going to apply it thoroughly to the ends, making sure that I'm fully saturating each section. When I get to the front money piece section, I'm going to do thin sections back to back with no dropout all the way through. I'm going to apply cotton in between the foils to relieve pressure to make sure that there's no over-processing. Next, I will connect the remaining front sections at an angle to flow with the dip dye and the statement money piece. Using the same lightener formula, apply thoroughly, just like we did in the back. After I let this sit for about 30 to 45 minutes, I'm going to wipe out the BLONDME, and I'm going to apply BLONDME clay lightener with 20 grams of powder and 40 grams of 7 volume developer for some extra added lift. After letting that sit for approximately 20 minutes, I'm going to apply the BLONDME Detoxifying System Spray and the BLONDME Keratin Restore after I shampoo to moisturize the hair and restore the bonds before brushing the back combing out. Next, I'm going to tone using milk chocolate as her base and her root smudge, strawberry on her ends, and ice iris on her money piece. All at a 1:1 ratio with BLONDME 7 volume. Be sure to thoroughly saturate and blend the colors in. Let this process for approximately 20 minutes and rinse and apply BLONDME All Blondes conditioning mask. We both loved how these colors turned out, and we can't wait for her to show off her new look at school.